Here's a video demonstration on the normal startup procedure for the DEFIANT ESC from RCElectricParts.com. Now it ships with multi-directional technology, meaning this ESC can be used either as a unidirectional or a bidirectional ESC. By default, it ships in the unidirectional mode. If you need to change that, go look at first time use and the instructions up above if you haven't already. You'll want to do a throttle calibration procedure before you use the ESC normally. Now, this ESC is set in bidirectional mode, so in this case, the throttle is going to be in the center. Bidirectional simply means the motor can spin in forward and reverse. And on your controller, it's going to look like this, where one direction is going to spin the motor a particular orientation and pull the trigger in the other direction, and the motor is going to spin in the other direction. That's for bidirectional use. Now, if you have a unidirectional setup, you're probably gonna have a controller that looks like this, where usually down is minimum throttle and all the way up is full throttle. So this is off, 50% throttle, 100% throttle. So in our case, like I said, it's a bidirectional, or it's set up as bidirectional. So we're gonna put our throttle in the middle. This is just a little device that acts like a transmitter, just for demonstration purposes. So I'm going to show you what happens when you normally plug it in. So as we can see here, the ESC is going to beep a few times there. The first 3 beeps states that it is a 3-cell battery. The next 2 beeps state that the brake is on. If you only hear 1 beep after the first set of beeps, that means the brake is on, but in our case it's off. Okay, so as you can see, the motor works as expected. Now I'm going to show you if we have throttle applied, the motor is going to start rapidly beeping. Now in this case, I have the throttle applied almost to the full throttle position, so that's entering the programming mode. And then here, this is reverse throttle being applied, and you'll hear it rapidly beep. This is the safe start protection. This just prevents the motor from unexpectedly spinning up if there's a prop or something on it and causing a dangerous situation. All you need to do is move the throttle to the 0 throttle position, and everything's good to go. Thanks for watching.